सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, आना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया, चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हमको होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में।
Started off maybe about 3 months back when Hema came to our office, and we were generally talking about a few things, and she was talking about the work that she does in Goa with children, and that's when we came up with this idea that we are Goa's only airline, and Hema is of course a huge brand ambassador of India, and Lakshadweep Islands is one of the pristine destinations we fly to. We said, why don't we bring children and inspire them into music? Children who are talented, just give them a kind of inspiration. So this was just an idea we were shooting in the air, and we came up with this idea. But then the way Hema followed up and said, hey guys, let's kind of do it. And here we are in the beautiful Lakshadweep Islands, waiting to receive a whole bunch of children. Hema, your perspective on this?
First of all, let me say I am really, really happy to be with Fly 91 on this noble cause. It's something that I always pursued all my life, and knowing that Fly 91 is wanting to do this was great. I didn't know where we were going to do it, what we were going to do, but I was in. And I happened to also have an interaction of speaking about some of our stories with Manojji, and I've realized that we do match with principles, values, with virtues and stuff like that, which are a seriously tough thing to maintain, but we have, and we are proud of each other for that. So yes, it's so great to know that Fly 91 is like a Goan airline, and for Hema, Goa means like Meri Jaan, my everything, my upper bai. And so anything for Goa, and an airline who wants to do good for the people, who have so many invaluable thoughts, let me say, and so supporting that is part of Hema. So Hema's right here doing it, and I'm really touched with all the sweet things they've done, T-shirts and stuff like that, caps and many other things. Keeping up the respect of your country, keeping up the respect of Goa, keeping up the values that we grow up with, the sanskar, everything. I can see that in the bosses of Fly 91. So I see this airline going big time, big way, and whatever stuff you guys do, sir, where you are helping the needy or you're there for everybody in some way, I'm always with you. My seva is always with you, humbly so. And my God, we are on this island. I didn't know we were coming to this pristinely, absolutely beautiful place, and I want to tell you all something. Fly 91 has brought me to a place where मुझे खुदा का एहसास हुआ है. यहाँ के जो लोग हैं, यहाँ के जो लोकल्स हैं, उनमें जो इनोसेंस है, जो उनमें जो प्यार है, उनकी आंखों में जो झलकता है, मोहब्बत झलकती है उनकी आंखों में, उनमें उसमें वो प्योरिटी है, एक अनटच्ड फीलिंग. ऐसे लगता है कि मैं भी बोलूं कि बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, मतलब असल में खुदा का एहसास यहाँ मुझे हुआ है. Thank you sir, thank you Fly 91 for this, and a little song for sir and for Fly 91 and for Goa and for this beautiful island and the beautiful people who have so much love and so much of innocence in their smiles, where I can feel कि खुदा यहाँ खुद है, सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया, चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम दो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में, बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी गोवा के एयरलाइन Fly 91 की नाव है. ओह वो थैंक यू खुदा.
Thank you so much.